Converting your UK BRP to an eVisa is actually way easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step, so you can get it done quickly and easily. Let's start the process. Search Get Access to UK eVisa on Google. Open the gov.uk link that says Get Access to your eVisa. The link is also mentioned in the description below. Before you start, make sure you go through this information on this page and have your smartphone handy along with your phone number, active email address, and the BRP or your visa application number. Then click on Start Now to begin the application. The process will begin with some basic questions such as, have you ever had your BRP? I have selected yes and click Continue. Next, do you still have your BRP card? Select yes if you still have it. Is your BRP still valid? Selecting yes, as the expiry date on my BRP is 31st of December 2024. And I guess it is the same case for most of you guys. Now, you need to create a UKVI account to view your visa, or if you have already created an account, then click on Sign In. I will create my account now. Click on Create an Account. Who are you creating this account for? I'm selecting myself, but if you are applying for your kid or someone else, you can select second option and click Continue. Enter your full name as it appears on your identity card, which is BRP in this case. Given names is your first and second names, then your surname and click Continue. Select your nationality here. Enter your BRP details. BRP number could be found at the top right corner of your card and then enter the expiry date. Next, enter your date of birth and click Continue. Enter your active email address that you want to use to log into this account. Now, enter the security code that you must have received in your email. Next, enter your phone number and click Continue. You will receive the security code again, enter it here and continue to the next page. If you want someone else to have the access to your account, click Yes and enter their details, or select No and click Continue. I'm selecting No. Check your answers if everything is correct before creating the account. If you see any information that is incorrect, you can correct it now by clicking on this Change button. I made a mistake on my BRP expiry date. Instead of the BRP expiry date, I entered my visa expiry date, which I corrected in the later stage when the BRP was scanned and it took the correct date. You will see it further in the video. If all looks good, click Create Account. Your UKVI account is successfully created. Let's sign in now. Select the identity document that you used to create your account, which is BRP. Enter your BRP number and click Continue. Enter your date of birth and continue. Now, choose how do you want to receive a security code, on either via email or on your phone number as a text. Enter the security code now. This is the form that we need to fill in today. Click on Start. The form has a few simple steps. First, you need to confirm your identity. You will do this by using UK Immigration ID Check app. Click on Continue. Do check if you have the right smartphone and select Yes. Download the app and connect the app to your account, either via connection code or by scanning the QR code. I'll scan the QR code. You will see this page asking you to verify if it's you. Click either of the options and you will receive the code. Enter the code and click Continue. The app is now connected. Skip these steps and click Start. Choose Biometric Residence Permit. You will need to take an image of both sides of your BRP card. First, take the image of the back side of the card where you will see the code like this. Then, take the image of the front side. Once the image is taken, it's time to scan your BRP card. Make sure you have turned on the NFC on your phone and place it on your BRP card as shown here. It will take a few seconds to complete this process. Don't move it until it's done. Now, next step is to scan your face. Once your face is successfully scanned, you need to take a photo of yourself. Make sure to follow all the guidelines which is mentioned over here. Keep your phone straight and your face is correctly visible. You'll see your information on the screen which was scanned from your document and click on Submit Information. Click Continue to return to your UKVI account, and this will direct you to the website. Or you can disconnect it now and go back to the desktop and sign in to complete the remaining steps. Your screen should show that the first step, confirming your identity, is completed. However, mine is still asking me to confirm my identity. When I open it, there is an error saying details do not match. The details that were captured by the app was not matching with the details that I entered, specifically my BRP expiry date, which I mentioned earlier. Next, it asked if the identity document belongs to me, showing my name. I selected my name and moved to the next step. It asked if I wanted to update my account's identity document with the one scanned in the app. I chose yes, since the scanned details were correct. But if you think the details scanned were still incorrect, you can choose the second option and scan it again. The details are updated. And now, the confirm your identity step is completed. Next step is location. Click on it and choose where you're currently residing, inside or outside the UK. I'm selecting inside the UK. Next, contact preferences. Select your email ID, or if you want, you can add a different one. It's the same step for your phone number as well. You can select your phone number or you choose to add a different one. Check the answers and click Continue. Now on to the account security questions. There are 3 different sets of questions on this page. You got to choose one question from each set and enter the answer for it. It is better to take a note of these questions and answers. Once done, click Continue to go to the next step. Check your answers and continue. This is the last step, which is declaration. Select one option that is relevant to you and click Continue. You can see all these parts are completed. Now it's time to submit your application. Your information has been submitted to UKVI. You'll receive an email with the reference number, and after a few minutes, you'll receive another email stating that your eVisa is ready to view with the link. After this, you need to link this eVisa to your passport. I will upload a separate video on how to do that. That's all for today. If you found this useful, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Jai Hind.